Hey guys, Woodsman 500 here. Just stepping outside here for a sec. Beautiful day after we had them rainstorms the other night. I'm walking out on the deck here, and if you can see over there, there's a little bit of clustered mess. That's for where a bird tried to build a nest. He didn't work on that side, but it did on this side, and now we have, whoa! Birdies, but they're flying away, so this is the last chance you'll probably get to see these young fellows up in their nest. That was interesting. One just flew out of there. That was probably the mama. I wouldn't doubt it, but these are the little ones. I don't know if you can see it like that, but it's kind of dark, and there we go. Kind of up there. It's kind of getting full now. One just flew away. I think I'll check that out later. But these seem to be resting comfortably. I thought that was interesting. There's one of them mamas right there, keeping an eye on her children. She's been around for quite a while. Off she goes. Oh, there she is. Whoa, look at that. Oh, there it is. What a neat thing to get on camera, guys. This is quite interesting. They've gotten used to us over the last few days. What an interesting experience. She's sitting right there. Oh, there she goes again. And that was some of the scat. And she'll put it back. She'll clean it up and put it back into the soil. But I'm gonna sit down, guys, because I don't want to get in their way. There's that bird. Keeping a close eye on me. Can't really see her there. You can see the birdies up there. Here she comes back again. Checking me out, that's for sure. Guarding their babies. They're getting bigger now. They were smaller earlier. But now they're starting to grow. Eventually they will fly off, though. There's Papa. Right there. With Worm. There's Mama down there. Oh. As you can see, it's getting kind of full in the nest there. They're getting quite big. Mama's back on her perch there. Perch. Oh, oh, there's one. Flapping his wings. Trying to get out of that nest there. They're having a little bit of trouble though. But I won't interfere with them trying to it's a natural process, so I'll leave them be. About as much as I can see. Mama's still over there checking me out. It's Papa. He was over there. And if you see you have something going on like this outside, record it, take pictures, get photos, videos, whatever. Doesn't matter, just view them. But leave them be though, don't pester them. Leave them be. I'm kind of in the way here where I'm sitting. But I try and keep discreet and not to make any sudden movements to disturb them or anything. So there goes Papa. There's flew across. Actually, there's Mama right there. Alright guys, Woodsman 500 here. Take time to view wildlife. Don't disturb it though, just leave them be. Have a great day. Be safe. And get out there.